Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another hair tutorial. It's been a while. So today we are going to be trying this look. I saw this on West African Baby. She used perm rods on her twist and he came out looking really nice. So I decided to try it using Flexi Rod because I had Flexi Rod. Now I was very skeptical about this because my Flexi Rod experience has not been a good one. So I'll be using this Mousse Flexi Rod and my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. So I'm going to section my hair. I'm starting on freshly washed twist. I've had this twist for 2 weeks and I washed it. So I'm going to section my hair just in smaller sections. You can count the twist if you want. I found out that it's part of my twist was losing, so I decided to twist it back. Wow. Just wow. I'm following the same step, mousse, and I'll just coil it up with my Flexi Rod. Some people say they have a method or technique of coiling their hair, but I just roll my hair around the Flexi Rod very tight and I secure the ends by bending it. That's what I do. I was really scared and I was hoping that I get a good result. My first Flexi Rod experience was not so nice, like I didn't like it. So I was hoping that this one would turn out really good, or at least better. So I'm just going to repeat the process for all of the sections, like put my twist in smaller sections. I think a number of 6 to 8 twists for each section. The window, should've known it was all too simple. When it started, it's a bold individual. Cause you're cold and you got no reason. If I turn my back, would you try me? Tell a lie, heard them laughing behind me. Was the cause of the madness I see. Cause you're cold and you got no reason. Cuts on my back, I'm told, being cut those fashionable, unimaginable. How they walk around masking a full costume. Thought I wanted that grass to the bloom, but it really don't matter sometimes. Don't matter sometimes, took a blow, I was slow, you shattered my pride. Yeah, you shattered my pride, took a tour in the door of the window. Should've known it was all too simple. When it started, it's a bold individual. Cause you're cold and you got no reason. If I turn my back, would you try me? Tell a lie, heard them laughing behind me. Was the cause of the madness I see. Cause you're cold and you got no reason. I'm shit faced, can't fuck with the fake shit. I see it coming and I duck in my spaceship. I gotta dip cause these fuckers are way impatient just to kick you down and I hate it. Ain't no trust, it's a must that you vacate. Fair God, cause I never seen a strange day. Best friends, yeah, they might turn a strange face. Things change and it might never ever be the same. Shit, we don't play the same game. Why must you pray on my downfall? I never switched, I was down, dog. Now I'm in the booth with the lights low and the sound on. Promise I'm here, but this Henny in bed, yeah, it might make me sound gone. Hallelujah, cause I found God with a pound jawed. Took a blow on the low and I came off the ground scarred. Yeah, that sound hard. Took a tour in the door of the window. Should've known it was all too simple. When it started, it's a bold individual. Cause you're cold and you got no reason. If I turn my back, would you try me? Tell a lie, heard them laughing behind me. Was the cause of the madness I see. Cause you're cold and you got no reason. At this point, I was already tired, but
It's not easy making your hair by yourself. People who make their hair by themselves, they're superheroes, honestly. So I wanted it to be in a side part, so I sectioned it like this, and I was going to do the rest of the flexi rods to fall to the other side. So whenever I take the flexi rods out, I'm going to have like a side part situation going on. I'm very sure you can understand what I'm saying with the video.
Should've known it was all too simple. When it's stored, it's a bold individual. Cause you're cold and cause you're cold and you got no reason. If I turn my back, would you try me? Tell a lie, heard them laughing behind me. Was the cause of the madness I see. Cause you're cold and you got no reason. I'm shit faced, can't fuck with the fake shit. I see it coming and I duck in my spaceship. I got a dip cause these fuckers are way impatient just to kick you down and I hate it. Ain't no trust, it's a must that you vacate. Fair God, cause I never seen a strange day. Best friends, yeah, they might turn a strange face. Things change and it might never ever be the same. Shit, we don't play the same game. Why must you pray on my downfall? I never switched, I was down, dog. Now I'm in the booth with the lights low and the sound on. Promise I'm here, but this Henny in bed, yeah, it might make me sound gone. Hallelujah, cause I found God with a pound jawed. Took a blow on the low and I came off the ground scarred. Yeah, that sound hard. Yeah, that sound hard. Took a tour and dove through the window. Should've known it was all too simple. When it's stored, it's a bold individual. Cause you're cold and you got no reason. If I turn my back, would you try me? Tell a lie, heard them laughing behind me. Was the cause of the madness I see. Cause you're cold and you got no reason.
And now we are down to the final section. You can see the excitement. Honestly, I'm always happy when it's that last section of hair because I know that I'm going to stand up very soon.
And I want something back in your basement, hometown, yeah, baby, I'm wasted on you, yeah, not that we tasted. 1, 2, yeah, baby, I'm faded, back in your basement.
At this point, I think the excitement of being in the last section got to me and I wanted to time my score. But I had to release it and that was it. We'll take out the rods the next day. Hopefully the result comes out nice. But tie your hair and go to bed. This is me the next day looking pretty and cute. I filmed a tutorial for this makeup look. It's going to be on my Instagram and on my YouTube short. So do well to check it out. Now we are going to apply some oil just so that it's going to be easy to take it out without being dry. Now look at that. Now look at that. Now this came out so well. Like I did not expect it. My facial expression is going to do all the talk. This is beautiful. And if by now you don't know that you should be doing mini twists, you need to ask yourself a good question because mini twists are the way to go. Look at how versatile this hair is. Like, just look at it. You can style it so many ways and even style it like this. I was excited to do this and to see that it will come out looking like this. It was really beautiful. You can tell I was very, very excited. Now I went ahead to apply more oil just so that taking out the sections will look very nice and apply shine. And because my hair is already in twist, all I have to do is to just use my fingers to rake through it and the curls are going to bounce. Like bounce, bounce. Can you see it? Today I got so many compliments. Like people were telling me they liked my hair. Even my mom was like, "This is so beautiful." This was really, really beautiful. I just went ahead to rake it out, like section it or split it and pin it to the way I wanted it to be, like style it the way I want it to be. And this is it, guys. It is giving the 90s look. It's giving Marilyn Monroe. It's giving soft girl. It's giving beauty, beauty, beauty in the purest form, like period. It looked like I had a wig on, but it was not a wig. It looks so different, like very, very different. It's not something you will expect. I didn't expect it to be like this. I saw it on West African Baby, and her hair is very, very long, longer than my hair. So for it to come out looking like this on me, it means that anybody can try it. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.
Baby, I'm wasted on you. Now that we tasted, 1, 2, baby, I'm faded.